What's up, everybody? Today we've got this little mini panning kit. Now, I've had this thing for a little while. I actually got one for my daughter when she was about one and a half, and she'd been using it as a little play toy. But I ended up buying two kits because, well, who doesn't want a mini pan? What we're going to do is we're actually going to open this up. We're going to see exactly how much gold is in here. It says 1 in 250 chance to find $50 in real gold nuggets. Now, they don't make these anymore. I haven't been able to find them. They don't even market these or their gold dirt anymore on their website. Now, I do have this completely unopened. It's got a pound of dirt here, but that'll be for another day. Right now, we are going to be focusing on the mini pan. Now, I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened it yet, so I've opened that one and I've gone through that, but let's see if I can get it open here. Okay. Tweezers, gold pan, and the dirt. In the garbage. So it's completely sealed off. There's plastic over the whole thing. Just like that. Garbage for that too. Well, look at that. Let's see if we can see anything in there. I don't see anything in there. Nope. Well, let's do it the old-fashioned way then. So we have all of our dirt going right in there. There's some garnet sands in there, it looks like. So looking at the material, it actually looks like pretty good material. A lot of float sand, some garnet sands in there. You can kind of see little black ones are the garnet sands. If you were actually to shine some light on them, they'd look a little different. But it looks like it'd be pretty easy material to pan out. I don't see black sands like iron sands. So it should be pretty easy to find. Now, I didn't find a $250 nugget in here. That's okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to slide this over. And we're going to pan it out. We're going to see what's in here. So let's get a better angle. And yes, this is a pink pan. And if you've seen some of my other videos, I actually have used this. That's, as you can tell, it is a bit scuffed up. It's a little dirty, but hey. So when you actually pan at home, what you should always do, put a little bit of jet dry in or off-brand rinse agent, but just a drop. You don't want to put too much in. You just want to, just like that. That's all you need. If you get too much, it bubbles up and causes issues. But that's to kind of help just break the surface tension, help your gold just settle, and overall it just makes it a lot better panning experience. So this little pan, I'm going to show you here. So it has just the one little lip at the bottom. Just one little lip. Nothing too crazy. So it shouldn't be too hard to pan this out. So you got to get your gold to settle to the bottom, give it a nice good shake, get all those heavies down. Once you get that settled, then you can go ahead and just start panning it out. Just pan, pan, pan. Nice circular rotation. Give it a little bit of rinse out. Nice good circular rotation. Keep the golds at the bottom. You want to keep a nice angle, because if you're dumping your material out, it's going to just dump everything out. So you want to keep it where the bottom is staying lower than the top of the pan. That way your light stuff comes out, but the heavy stuff stays down. And bada bing, bada boom. And then when you get down to the bottom, when you're down to just the last little bit of material, that's when you can start tipping it to get just the smaller stuff off. So we're gonna do like this and just get the last little bit out. Ooh, there's a bigger rock in there. How did that get in there? Look at that, thing's big compared to everything else in here. Now, just get the fine float, a little bit of sand off the bottom here. You guys ready to see some gold? I'm sure ready. So if I was to fan this out here with just a little bit of water. So there's a nice little picker right there. Look at that. It's a good little piece. Here goes. Ooh, that's good sound. That's always a good sound. So that's not bad. 2 little pieces. And it's a fun little pan. I like it. Gold Rush. Kind of wish that they would keep doing stuff like this. I mean, you see them on TV all the time, but wouldn't it be nice if you or I could get some of that gold too? Well, everybody, that brings us to the end of the mini gold pan. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more than just hair down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more gold. And guess what? That brings us to the end.